you're experiencing frizz, dryness, excessive breakage, scalp itching, you find it difficult to comb your hair, you're stuck to a certain hair growth length, are you tired of dragging your hair with dandruff? Then this treatment is what you need. Please listen, do not make this treatment if you don't want soft hair, unstoppable hair growth, and dandruff-free hair. Hi, welcome to the channel. My name is Tina. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you an easy, effective leave-in conditioner using aloe vera leaf. So to begin, we need 2 medium-sized aloe vera leaf, though it depends on how full and lengthy your hair is. Please make sure to wash the aloe vera leaf thoroughly, and all apparatus to be used are also well cleaned and sterilized. Cut both sharp spines of the aloe vera leaf and scoop out the gel, which is what we need. Did you know that using a moisturizing DIY leave-in conditioner for natural and relaxed hair is one of the best things you can do for your hair? This is not to say that you can't benefit from using store-bought product like Cantu leave-in conditioner or any other conditioner in the market, but it is just that it's good to experiment with both purchased and homemade products for your natural and relaxed hair. That way you can see what your hair likes best. If this sounds like something you want to know or learn, then don't skip this video. Watch it to the end to see all the ingredients that I used, and it gave me something meaningful for my natural hair. Aloe vera is one of those do-it-all ingredients that tons people rave about. The plant gel can be found in most personal care products, from lotion to shampoos, conditioners, serum, ointments, and lots more, likely because it's historically been used to treat acne, sunburns, wounds, and even constipation, since it's a natural laxative. Not commonly, aloe vera has been touted as the key to fast hair growth, and it has plenty of other benefits worth knowing about. Aloe vera soothes scalp irritation. When you are dealing with itches from dandruff or product buildup, aloe vera contains anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe irritation. The science behind it is simple. Antioxidants in aloe vera addresses antioxidative stress, and the nutrient it contains help the skin repair itself after, explains Dr. Camp. In fact, aloe vera can even be used for other conditions that can affect the scalp, such as cirrhosis, by reducing redness, scaling, and itching, according to the Mayo Clinic. So after collecting the gel with my comb, next is to strain using either a cheesecloth, ant hose, or any strainer that won't allow lumps to penetrate. Note, please, you can go ahead and blend if you don't want to use comb to collect the gel. If you have watched me from the beginning till now and you are yet to subscribe to the channel, please consider hitting the red button below that says subscribe. And if you find the video interesting, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share to anyone you know that wants this recipe, and leave any comments or questions relating to the video in the comment section down below. Moving on to the benefits of aloe vera. Aloe vera is a natural moisturizer. This one might be a no-brainer, but aloe vera is a top-tier ingredient for all things moisture. Aloe vera can be used as a moisturizer on the scalp and hair because it contains polysaccharides, says Dr. Camp. Polysaccharides are complex sugar molecules that help retain and attract moisture. The antioxidants present in aloe vera can potentially help reduce oxidative stress experienced by scalp, skin, and hair cells that may contribute to hair loss. Aloe vera is rich in vitamins A, C, and E, all of which can help hair flourish in long term. Next is to add about 500 ml worth of water and mix well to combine. Add about few drops of any essential oil of your choice and continue mixing till everything blends well. Transfer the mixture into a spray bottle and set that aside. If you have watched me till now and you are yet to subscribe to the channel, please consider hitting the red button below that says subscribe, and also turn on your post notification bell to be notified each time I drop videos like this. And if you find the video interesting, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share to your family and friends, and also leave any comment relating to the video in the comment section down below. Next is to transfer the mixture into a spray bottle and set that aside. Moving on to the next ingredient in today's recipe is Cantu leave-in conditioner. Meanwhile, you can also use any conditioner of your choice. Add 3 teaspoons of Cantu leave-in conditioner in a bowl. Add any Ayurvedic oil or extra virgin olive oil. Mix well to combine. Add the remaining aloe vera gel mixture to it. Please, I will advise you add it bit by bit so everything can blend very, very well. Continue mixing everything until you get a very smooth and lump-free mixture. If you don't want the consistency thick, Then continue adding aloe vera mixture or water until you get the desired consistency of your choice. If you have watched me from the beginning till now, thank you. You are the real MVP. Please, before you leave, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share to your family and friends, and please subscribe to the channel. Your subscription means a whole lot to me and it's totally free. And also leave any comments in the comment section down below and turn on your post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video and amazing hair growth tips and beauty tips just like this. Please, thank you so very much. So now we'll continue mixing to get the desired consistency we want. One good thing I love about Cantu leave-in conditioner is that it provides intense moisture, leaving your hair soft and manageable. It is formulated for damaged, dry or coarse hair. Deep penetrating conditioning treatment made with pure shea butter and other natural oils to stop and mend breakage, repair split ends, and add manageability and shine with every application. Naturals. Please always include Cantu products in your hair care regimen and thank me later. So guys, leave-in conditioner is super ready. So I'm gonna leave it to this consistency. I don't want it to be so thick or so watery. Next is to add tea tree essential oil, or you can also add any essential oil of your choice. Then continue mixing. Healthy hair and new growth starts at the scalp, so improving your scalp health should always be the first step in any attempt to increase hair growth. If you're still watching, I say a very big thank you. You are the real MVP. Your girl is grateful. Please, before you leave, don't forget to give me a little thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell so to get notified each time I upload a new video. And also share the video. You never can tell who will also benefit from it, and God bless you. So moving on to for the application, it's best to apply the conditioner when your hair is still damp after shampooing. But in this video, my hair was very dry because I washed it overnight. After washing your hair in the shower with shampoo, rinse thoroughly. You can use a regular conditioner in the shower if you want, but be sure to rinse your hair thoroughly afterward. Apply a small amount of the leave-in conditioner through your hair. Use your finger to detangle your hair or a wide tooth comb. Let the hair dry, or you can style it as desired. So guys, that brings me to the end of this video. If you watched to this very stage, you are the real MVP. Thank you. I can't thank you enough. I'm super grateful. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel before you leave. Give me a little thumbs up, and also leave any comment in the comment section down below or any question relating to the video. If you have any hair problem, I can always assist with the little knowledge I have that have helped me achieve long and healthy hair. See you guys in my next video. I love you and stay blessed. Bye.